y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video for you. We're gonna go over a cute design for football season. And this is something that you can do in any team colors. It's very simple, but it is high impact, and especially if you do this and sell them, I think that it will be a super popular design for fall because, you know, we love our boys of fall. And, you know, I'm from Southeast Texas, so football is huge. I'm not the biggest fan of football. Like, I'll watch middle school and high school and stuff like that play, but I'm not a sports fan, but I understand the importance of it. Now, this file is available on my Patreon page for my $10 or more a month users, and it is a commercial use SVG. We will be adding it to the website, but for now, it is just on Patreon. So if you don't want to join Patreon, you will be able to purchase it later. But I am loving this design. It is so cute, and you're gonna love it too. So what you're gonna need for today's tutorial is your Easy Weeding wooden pick, your t-shirt guide, or your Teflon sheet. That is not your t-shirt guide. Your t-shirt guide, which our t-shirt guide, this is our weekly WOW sale for this week. So these are on sale for $7.95 for the 16-inch, 15-inch, 12-inch, and 9-inch, and $9.95 for the 20-inch. And, you know, I love this tool. I use it all the time, and a lot of other people will tell you how great this tool is too. So that's our sale. And then I'm using, for us, because our team is black and gold, I'm using the black Glitter Flex Ultra, just the plain black, but you can see all the sparkle in it. And then I'm using an LAT football tee. These are available on Amazon, and if I can remember to link it, I will, but it is just LAT football tee. And they have them like they're toddlers, they're adults. They're super cute, and they have lots of colors in them. I like the idea of using this for a football design because doesn't that remind you of like a vintage football jersey? Love it. So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I will go over how to import the design into your Cricut, cut it all out, and show you how to install it. So the first thing that we need to do is download our file, which is available again on my Patreon page, which is www.patreon.com/BetsyGocher. It's going to be the OSnap file, which is listed on there as the 9/23/2020 tutorial. So I'm going to click on that link and it's going to download it. But I wanted to show you, this is what the file looks like. Isn't that super cute? And then I wanted to show you the shirts on Amazon. So as you can see, that is the LAT football tee. And they have a bunch of different colors. You can look it up in whatever size you need to. So now we're going to go down here to Cricut Design Space, Upload Image, Browse. We're going to select the OSnap file. There we go. And click Save. You can kind of get a hint of a few of the projects that we're working on for Christmas. There we go. So now all I want to do is I want to go ahead and weld this together because I want it to cut in one piece. There we go. And now I want to change the size of my design because I'm putting it on an adult large shirt. So I'm going to make it 10.5 inches wide, which is pretty much standard across the board for the adult sizes. Now I'm going to click on Make It. Click on Mirror because this is text and it is HTV, so we want to make sure it's mirrored. Click Continue. And as you can see, it automatically pulls up my Cricut Maker 3. Now, if you have like the Cricut Explorer Air, you always go like a notch above the regular iron-on to cut glitter iron-on. But here I'm going to select the glitter iron-on one. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I'll show you how to put this shirt together. So as you can see, I went ahead and cut my vinyl, and I started the weeding process. I weeded out the center of the letters, but I waited to do the big part till I was on camera with you. And one thing about whenever you're doing vinyl, if you lay it out on your warm heat press like this, it definitely helps make it weed a whole lot easier and faster. Just a little tip and trick. I do have a video over that as well. So, as you can see, that's what it looks like. Now, For this shirt, as you can see, there is a line on our shirt, so we want to still use the sides of the heat press, but I want to line the bottom of my t-shirt guide up with that line because I'm placing the vinyl right below that, but I still need a center mark. So I'm going to take and fold my vinyl in half, and because I cut this off the top of the part of the vinyl, I have a straight line. There we go. And as you can see, that's my crease mark. And now I'm going to line that up with the center, just like that. And as I said, I want to keep it below that line because y'all know seams can be the death of shirts. So my heat press is preheated to 330 degrees for 15 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and heat this on here. Now while that's heating, I'll go ahead and tell you that the material that the shirt is made out of is 60 cotton, 40 polyester. So it can stand the heat. You know, if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen kind of thing. This can stand the heat. So there we go. Look how cute this looks. And it's so simple. And you can do it for any team. And you're not gonna be infringing on copyrights or anything like that. You could do like burgundy on navy for the Texans, or white or silver on navy for the Cowboys, you know. You could do it for anything. So now I'm just repressing at 330 degrees for 15 seconds. And that is something I do pretty much every time I press something, is do a repress just to make sure everything is good and on. But look how good that looks. Isn't that pretty? So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I will go over everything we just did. Look how absolutely adorable this turned out. I am so in love with this design. And again, it is something you can put on just about anything. But doesn't that glitter just sparkle? So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed because Craftsmas starts October the 1st, which Craftsmas is my favorite time of year. Don't forget to check us out on all of our social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But I guess that's it. So we shall see y'all on Friday. Bye.